students. How is everyone doing? Prepare this before we start our class. Notebook or clean paper, pen or pencil, coloring pens, water to keep you hydrated. Our lesson objectives for today: define what is a graphic organizer, identify the use of different graphic organizers, understand the importance of graphic organizer. Remember, our topic for today is graphic organizer. What is graphic organizer? Graphic organizer is a visual display that depicts the relationships between facts, terms, and or ideas within a learning task. It is a visual thinking tool that makes pictures of thoughts. Examples of graphic organizers: Venn diagram, fishbone diagram, and semantic web. Venn diagram: and overlapping circles to illustrate the relationships between two or more sets of items. It represents how things are being organized, their similarity and differences. Fishbone diagram: a cause and effect diagram, also called as Ishikawa diagram. It is a visualization tool for categorizing the potential causes of a problem in order to identify its root cause. Semantic web builds side-by-side graphical representation about the key themes. Its purpose is to visually display the connections between words, phrases, or concepts. Let's try. Complete the semantic web about your family. Sample answer: my family composed of my father, big organizers. The king of the jungle. The lion is the king of the jungle. They are big and strong. Lions weigh 400 pounds and stand 4 feet tall. If you feel the hair of its face, it is soft. You can find a lion in Africa. They can live for 15 years in the wild. They like to sleep on grass at night. Lions eat meat, such as zebras, giraffe, and buffalo. We will use the semantic web. We will put the topic, which is the lion, in the center circle, and we will put the details about the lion on the outside circles. Found in Africa, eats meat, 400 pounds and 4 feet tall, big and strong, king of the jungle, have hair on its face. These are the details that tell about the lion. Activity number 2. Headaches. Headaches can have several causes. Many people think that the major cause of headaches is nervous tension, but there is strong evidence that suggests diet and environment as possible factors. Some people get headaches because they are dependent on caffeine. Other people may be allergic to salt or allergic to household chemicals including polishes, waxes, bug killers, and paint. If they can manage to avoid these substances, their headaches tend to go away. When a person on the bones of the fish, like the nervous tension, diet, environment, dependent on caffeine, allergic on salt, allergic on household chemicals, are the causes. And the effect is the headache, which we will put on the head of the fish. Number 3. Organize details using the Venn diagram. Note, we will take note similarity at the center. Reptiles. They have backbone. They produce egg. They can live both in lesson recap number 3. Why we need graphic organizers? That's right. We need graphic organizers to organize our thought and to give us more understanding about a paragraph that we just read or we just listened. We can also use a graphic organizer to organize our thought so that we can easily make or write a paragraph. Now let's check our understanding. Let's answer all these questions. Identify the following and write your answers in the space provided. The teacher will give you enough time to answer these questions. Let's check your work. Number 1. Fishbone diagram. It is a cause and effect organizer. Number 2, Venn diagram. It is used to compare two or more items. Number 3, graphic organizer. It is a visual thinking tools that make pictures of thoughts. Number 4, Venn diagram. It is an overlapping circles that illustrate similarity and differences. Number 5, semantic web. It is a side-by-side graphical representation about the key themes. Thank you all for coming to our class today. See you all again next time.